Now we are doing the video. I want to show you everything that we have here. Starting from where? We have the remote for the air conditioner. Yeah.
Are they original, say, or it's a universal
it's a generic one?
Okay.
It's a generic one. You can buy and use it.
Okay.
At any aircon, no matter it's Samsung, no matter it's what.
Okay.
Or for those who fix things, who do installment or what you call welding of stuff like fridges, even aircon pipes, you can weld it.
Okay.
Capacitors, you have these capacitors.
It's for what, that one?
What you call it?
Is it for aircons?
Yeah, it's for aircon. 60 UF.
Okay.
50 UF. And then
Are they new or you have all the sizes?
Brand new.
Okay.
And then 30, 25, 20, 10, 4, 2. Then you come here this side, I want to show you these things that everybody knows. Connector blocks. Yeah?
So do you deal with the electrical stuff? Or?
Yes, we do electrical stuff, but on this side I want to show you for the air conditioner.
Okay.
Yes, we have 1/4 aluminum pipe. This one 3/4 aluminum pipe.
Okay.
This one is
That one,
8.
is it still aluminium also?
It's a copper pipe.
Okay.
Copper pipe.
Okay.
How many meters do we have? 15.24 meters.
Okay.
We have compressor here.
You also deal with compressor?
Yes, this is a free compressor.
What about the aircon compressor? Do you also deal with those
Yeah,
things?
but they order. You need order.
Oh.
Yes. This
So you've got an online shop again?
Yes, this is fan, motor for the fan. Yes, sir. If you want the motor for the fan, and then you come this side, we have gases. This is a 5070, 5078.
Is it for the aircons or for the fridges?
Aircon.
Do you have different ones or you only have one type?
The gases, if you are on the refrigeration side, gases, the gas that can go to fridge, they are a bit different with the gas for the air conditioners.
What about the cars?
The gas,
Do you have anything for the cars?
gas that goes into the car and the fridge of the fridge, they are similar. And,
But they are not the same.
yeah, they are not the same, but some of them you get the same, like Arapid form.
Okay.
Yes, you can get the same. So let's go. This is a let's go.
And those black things, what are those?
These ones, they are sleeves that you put as these copper pipes.
Okay.
So that
So you guys, are you saying you have all electrical stuff?
we do electrical stuff and the refrigeration and air conditioners.
Okay.
You see, there's all gases. Those are gases for the fridges, smaller
Okay.
sizes. And
Okay.
that yellow one is a map gas that you use to weld.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
To weld.
Okay. And this one? What?
This one there.
Is it for
for cleaning? To clean
Oh,
the
is
inside.
it?
Yeah, for vacuuming. If you are doing vacuuming.
Oh, you also do vacuuming
Yes,
also?
clean the pipes, around the pipes.
Okay.
Yes. This is the electric side. You can come. Everybody knows this. These are plugs. In the, what you call it? Double plugs. Whatever. And then you come this side. For the stoves, appliances. Side
You also deal with appliance also?
Giza thermostat. The Giza element.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
you have different sizes also on those
Yeah,
things?
different sizes.
Okay.
This one is a 3 kilowatts.
Okay.
Yes, sir. There's three.
And down there, are they still also for the geyser?
Not this one for the ovens.
Oh, you deal also with stoves again?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a stove. Stove plate. The stove plate. So you can come and buy. We are open for business. For even
You can buy,
contractors, you
and
can come
what
and
about
buy.
if I just want to buy and I don't want you guys to install.
No
Is that
problem,
possible?
Just install. Come and buy.
Okay.
You buy, then you give your stuff, then you go and burn your thing.
Okay. So what do you suggest? If you buy here, you need to get a technician also here. What do you suggest? What is the best
For our warranty,
for security reasons also?
not for our warranty, you need to have a qualified electrician to do it.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you do it yourself, then you burn it, don't come back.
Okay. It's understandable.
There's a light thing beside.
Okay.
Oh, there's something that I forgot.
Okay.
These garage lights, flood lights.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, there's 20 watts and 30 watts.
Is these ones use electricity or it's
It's electricity.
okay?
Yes, it's electricity.
But it's LED.
This one is a sensor here. Do you have a sensor? All of these.
Emotional or what?
Yeah.
What
It's a
sense?
motion detector that can detect
Any movement?
yes.
Okay.
Whatever.
Okay.
Yes.
So you guys you are into electrical things.
Electrical stuff. Say.
Okay, that's
So
perfect.
you see here, there's on this side, it's a lighting side. For things
For lights, okay.
Lights,
Do you have
lights.
those ones like if you walk in?
No,
and then
let me walk you throughout.
okay.
Here's, these are the clips or the
For those lights, for the LED.
not for the LED.
Mm-hmm. It's for the
LED.
it's for what that one?
For the what you call it? I'm forgetting something here. Let me check. I'm forgetting. This is what you call it. Downlights.
Downlights, okay.
Downlights.
Because I don't want to hire you guys and then you forget what you got. You're gonna burn my house.
A lot of things here already. And come this side. That's where you
Okay,
can
that's
get the
perfect,
lights.
man.
These are bulbs. Bulbs with the sensor. Do you have a sensor also? But
That one, it looks like a normal one.
it looks like a normal one, but it's an energy light.
Okay.
Energy light. And this is the downlight that I was talking about. I think everyone
Oh, I
knows
see.
about
Yeah.
it. But ours, they are energy saver.
Okay.
Ours, they are energy saver. And this side, there's fans for the fans that we put on the toilet. So
Or like when you get inside, they start to run.
yes, this one can collect all that smell outside. So
Oh, so you guys, you also do those things also.
yes, that's electrical stuff. That's things that we sell.
Okay.
You see the fan, this is a small fan, and the normal one.
Okay.
The 150 mil and up to 250 mil fan.
Okay.
Yes, then we have these lights also. Electrical lighting.
What about those ones? Like if I clip my hands and then I'll get a light. Do you also sell those ones
Yes, but you don't have the stock
at the moment?
Can
Okay.
I check you on this side? Can I check on this side? This side you have GB boards.
I see you've got Samsung Aircon inside here also. So you deal with all brands.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, these are GB boards. 12-way. 12-way.
Okay.
8. 5. That's all we have.
Oh, that's perfect, man.
Electric.
So where can we get you if we? Where can we get you if we want the installation and stuff?
Chaos River.
Chaos River, okay.
Chaos River. Located in Chaos River.
Okay, that's perfect.
Kata Ozokana.